everyone. I'm Dr. Jagada Saravanan, Associate Professor in the Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. The topic is non-linear partial differential equations of first order standard forms. Definition of partial differential equation. The role of dependent and independent variables. To solve the non-linear partial differential equation by using standard forms 1, 2, 3 and 4. This complete lecture we are going to discuss about it. Partial differential equation. An equation which involves one or two partial derivatives, which is called PDE. That is, PDE represents partial differential equation. Now, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y. Now, z is playing the role of dependent variable. X and y, they are playing the role of independent variable. So, dependent variable and independent variable. Dou represents, the symbol represents partial derivative. The given equation is in partial differential equation. Dou z by dou x, the notation is P. Dou z by dou y, the notation is Q. Dou square z by dou x square, the notation is R. Dou square z by dou x dou y, the notation is S. Dou square z by dou y square, the notation is T. So, PQ, they are related to first order linear equation, whereas R, S, T, they are related to second order. That is, here we can see the power is what? 2, second order. But all the degrees are 1. Here the degree is also 1. So we can see it. Here also the degree is 1. If the degree is 1, it is linear. But our topic is non-linear. That means other than the degree 1, it is there, it is called non-linear PDE we are going to discuss. So, non-linear PDE of first order. P and Q of degree higher than 1. Now, only if it is P, it is dou z by dou x. But if coming P square, dou z by dou x, the whole square, it is first order, but the degree is 2. If the degree is 1, it is linear. If the degree is 2, it is non-linear. The first order non-linear. Now, if it is there, this is second order. If it is the degree is 1, second order but a linear. But second order, the degree is 2. It is non-linear. So we have to concentrate the degree. Higher than 1, then it is comes under non-linear PDE. And product of P and Q. So the P we know it, dou z by dou x, otherwise dou into dou z by dou y. So that product of partial derivatives also comes under non-linear. So we are going to concentrate now this non-linear PDE is how to solve. The first one is standard form 1. We have to, the given equation, we have to concentrate very clearly and we have to identify x, y, z, p, q. These 5 are written. In this x, y, they are playing the role of independent variables. Our z is playing the role of dependent variable. P, we know it, dou z by dou x, the notation. Q, the notation is dou z by dou y. This complete the thing this lecture includes. Now standard form 1, the equation will be having only among these 5. Among these 5, it will be having only P and Q. The given equation, if it has only P and Q, we can tell that is related to standard form 1. Then how to solve it? So it is written the equations containing only P and Q. Then means these 3 variables not at all there in that particular equation. Then the solution, if it is there, only the equation, if it has only P and Q, then the solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. Then dou z by dou x we are doing. We know the notation, dou z by dou x, it's nothing but P. We are doing the differentiation of the equation 1, that is dou z by dou x equal to ax, it's nothing but the differentiation is a. These terms are neglected because we are concentrating with respect to only x. This dou z by dou x, the notation is P, which is nothing but P equal to A. Next, dou z by dou y, this notation also we know it, it is Q, and we are differentiating this equation 1 with respect to y. So dou z by dou y equal to, here this we are neglecting as we are favoring the variable y. So by it is there, so it is B. So dou z by dou y equal to B, equal to Q equal to B. So now from the given equation, that is from our given problem or from our given question, what we are asked to solve, from which we have to get the value of P. Next, we have to substitute the value of B from the given equation. What we got it, we have to substitute in the equation 1. These are the steps to be followed. That is our given question. We will concentrate whether it has the variables only P and Q. If it is there, then this is the solution. These are the standard steps to be followed while doing the problem. If the problem falls under standard form 1, if it falls under standard form 1, the meaning is the equation compulsory it should have among the 5 variables x, y, z, p and q. Among the 5, it should have only p and q. If it has only and p and q, this is the solution. This is the step. P equal to A, Q equal to B. From the given question, we have to obtain the value of B. That B value should be substituted in this equation. Then we will get to the required solution. So we will do the problem. Yes, this is our given question. Solve P square plus Q square equal to M square. The question will come in our mind, what is this M? The starting will clearly I told, only 5 variables only we are going to concentrate. That is x, y, z, p, q. In these 5 variables, only p and q should be, other 3 should not be there. That is only our target. So p and q, they are playing a role. The given problem comes under standard form 1. Standard form 1, what are the steps? We know it. So the equation comes under standard form 1 because f of p comma q equal to 0. It has only p and q. Then this is the solution. It is granted already. So dou z by dou x equal to p. So p equal to a. Yeah, we got it. So dou z by dou y equal to q. This is the standard notation. So from here we are differentiating with respect to y. The left side we are getting dou z by dou y. It's nothing but a q. And here we are getting it is b. Now solve. Replace p by a and q by b in the given equation. So very given equation in the sense our given problem or given question. So this is our given question. P square plus q square equal to m square. So the p which is replaced by a, q which is replaced by b equal to m square. So b square equal to, we are pushing this a square towards the next side. It has become m square minus a square. B equal to plus or minus, here the square is there. So if you want only b, it's nothing but plus or minus square root of m square minus a square. Substitute the value of b in the equation 1. So we know it, our equation 1 is a equal to ax plus by plus c. So ax it is written as it is. B we got it, we obtained from our given problem. Replacing b by a, replacing q by b, we obtained the value of b. That b should be substituted in our given equation 1. We substituted. Y is written as it is plus c is the required solution. So first the problem standard form 1, our main target is we have to see the question carefully. The question carefully. X, y, z, comma p, comma q. In this only p, q should be dominated in the equation, and these are the steps to be followed to get the required solution. Standard form 2. Standard form 2, the equation should have, that is the equation is of the form f of p, comma q, comma z. Among the 5 variables, x and y, they are neglected. These 3 only should dominate in our given question, that is given equation. Then it falls under standard form 2. Then what are the steps to be followed for the standard form 2? That is, we have to take z equal to f of u. U is nothing but x plus ay. These are the steps to be followed to get the required solution if the equation it has p, comma q, comma z. That is our non-linear PDE form. The solution of the given equation is, we have to substitute, that is we have to replace p dz by du. We have to replace q by a into dz by du. Substitute these values in the given equation. The word given equation, that is very important. That is our given question, given problem. We have to substitute, that is p is replaced by this term, q is replaced by this term. After replacing, we will do the integration. After completing the integration, the resultant what we are getting is the required solution for this non-linear PDE. Now we will do the problem. While doing the problem, these complete steps should be there in that particular standard form 2 problem. Yes, this is the problem. Solve. P square plus PQ equal to Z square. completely, if you are noticing, it has P, Q, Z. Strictly X, Y should not be there at all. Then it is standard form 2. Yeah, the given equation is our problem. What we have to solve, that it is mentioned here as equation 1. We have noticed it. The equation which is in the form, it has only P, Q, Z. Then the steps we know it. That is Z equal to F of U, U equal to X plus AY. The solution of the given equation, P is replaced by, that is this P, our given equation. What is that P? Should be replaced by dz by du. Our Q should be replaced by this A into dz by du. So we can see it here, P, Q. We replaced it, P as dz du. Here it is there. And P is written as it is. Whereas Q is replaced by, here, Z square is written as it is. Simplifications we are doing. Here dz by du into dz by du, we know it. Dz by du the whole square, that is, so this one, dz by du the whole square plus A, this both multiplying dz by du the whole square, which is equal to Z square. In this 2 dz by du, the whole square is common. We have taken out. Here the completely it has come. The balance is 1. Here the balance is A equal to Z square. Now the right hand side, the term 1 plus A, it has come here left side. The before it is multiplication. If it crosses, it will become division. So dz by du, square is there left side. Right, it has become square root. So Z square, the square root is Z. 1 plus A, it retains the root. Now the next step, we are separating the variables. That is Z and all, one side we are grouping. Here dz written dz. Z we pushed to left side. Yeah, it is there. Here this as it is written, du, it has come here. So Z and all, one side it is grouped, another one it is grouped another side. So according to standard form 2, we have to do the integration. So taking integration on both sides. So we have taken the integration. So dz by z, the integration is log z. This is playing the role of constant. So as it is written, actually to say, we can write like this also. So 1 by square root of 1 plus A du, the integral is u. That's what it is written here, plus C. So log z equal to the starting only. It is f of u where u equal to x plus ay. This is the step already defined for step standard form 2. So the finally u is replaced by x plus ay. So this complete the steps following solve to be adopted if the question it has the variables p, q and z. Standard form 3. So among the 5 variables, that is x, y, z, p and q, 4 are playing a role, only z is neglected. Without a z, the equation it is there. Then it comes under standard form 3. If it is in standard form 3, what are the steps to be followed? What to do? In the given equation, x and p terms and all grouped one side, y and q, the combination, those variables grouped in another side, they are equated to some arbitrary constant that is named as a, and we will solve p and q, and we will substitute the p and q in this integration. We will get the required solution. This is the steps to be followed for the standard form 3. Strictly the equation, it has the variables p, q, x and y. We will solve your problem. So we are noticing here the equation p is there, q is there, x and y is there, z is neglected. So it gives a clear picture about us. Yes, proceed towards standard form 3. So the given equation is presented here. The above equation comes under standard form 3. So it is f of p, q, x, y. The given question once again written. We know it. This is the standard form 3 steps. That is, x and p and all should be grouped. That is equated to some arbitrary constant. According to our problem, that is, our question is p minus q equal to x square plus y square. This is our given equation. We will group it p and x one side. So p, x square we are bringing this side, we brought it. Q we are bringing next side, we brought it. So this, it's nothing but f1 of x comma p. So our f1 of x comma p, it's nothing but, according to our problem, p minus x square equal to some arbitrary constant a. So the standard form 1, 2, 3, what are the steps are there? They are connected to our problems to get the required solutions for this non-linear PDE. Next, f2 of y comma q equal to q plus y square equal to some arbitrary constant. So that's what it is written. We have to solve p and q. So this is according to our problem. So p equal to x square plus a. This is according to our problem, from which we got it what is q. So a, this minus y square, this side coming, a minus y square. This is the step to be followed for standard form 3. Z equal to integral p dx, integral q dy plus c. So p, it is substituted, that is x square plus a. Q we substituted, that is a minus y square plus c is there. Now x square, the integral, it's nothing but, we know it, x power n dx, the integral is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Our n is 3 here, sorry, our n is 2. So 2 is there. So x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. It is written x cube by 3. A is written as it is. Dx integral is x. Now a is written as it is. This is integration with respect to y. So dy integral is y. Minus sign is as it is. Y square integral is y cube by 3 plus c is as it is. So here in these two, a is common. So a of x plus y. In these two, 1 by 3 is common. The balance is x cube minus y cube plus c. So now standard form 3 we will concentrate. In standard form 4 we will concentrate completely. All the 5 variables will dominate here. X, Y, Z, P and Q. So the given equation should be rewritten in the form Px combination, Q into Y combination and PQ. This is the formation, the given equation. First initially it should be rewritten, and finally P is replaced by A, Q should be replaced by B. After replacing what we are getting, the result, it's nothing but our required solution. So we will do the problem. Solve PQZ equal to P square of QX plus P square plus Q square of PY plus Q square. Solution. Given equation is, so PQZ equal to P square of Qx plus P square, Q square of Py plus Q square. Now completely we know it, Px combination, Qy and PQ. This we have to keep it in our mind and we have to do the simplification. Completely this equation divided by PQ we did, that is Z equal to P square Qx plus P square by PQ plus Q square by PQ, Py plus Q square. Now P square by P, so that's what left over, P is there, and Qx by Q, X is there, P square by Q. Yeah, the first term we got it clearly. Q square by PQ, it is cancelled. P we have taken inside. This P, it has gone inside. So Py by P, we got it Y. Q square by PQ, PP cancelled, we got it Q square. So now Px, Qx, they are grouped it. This term, it is grouped it. Here P square is there, outside P is there. So P square into P, it has become PQ. This Q square into Q, it has become QQ. So we rewritten the form in such a way, the standard form 4. Now, yes, this is the formation of standard form 4 according to the Px, Qy, and the last term should be P, Q. So the complete solution, it should be P is replaced by A. So here P is there, that is replaced by A. Here Q is replaced by B. Here also P is replaced by A. Q is replaced by B. Here Q is replaced by B. Here P is replaced by A. So gives a complete solution. We will come to a conclusion that the topic non-linear partial differential equation of first order, in which the 4 standard forms we discussed. First, non-linear PDE, partial differential equation. Non-linear in the sense the degree should be higher than 1. We focused on that. Standard form 1. The given equation, we will check it if it is in the form of f of P, Q. Then it is standard form 1. Standard form 2. P, Q, Z. These 3 are dominating. It is standard form 2. Standard form 3. F of P, Q, X, Y equal to 0. If these 4 are dominating, it is standard form 3. Standard form 4. F of X, Y, Z, P, Q equal to 0. These equations are there. What are the steps to be followed for standard form 1? Separate steps are there. 2 separate steps, 3 separate steps and 4 separate steps. These steps should be connected to our given problem and we will get the required solution for this non-linear PDE. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.